All systems are go. We're about 90 seconds from the launch of Space Shuttle Discovery. T-minus 60 seconds and counting. Off its 3 onboard fuel cells. Coming up on a go for auto sequence start. Here's our primary control of all the vehicle's critical functions. T-minus 17 seconds and counting. 15. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, start, 2, 1, booster ignition, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station, paving the way for future missions beyond. Seconds into the flight, engines beginning to rev up. Discovery Houston, go and throttle up. Roger, go and throttle up. Throttle up. Throttle up, call acknowledged by Commander Steve Lindsay. Houston is expected to hit into a clear short. Solid rocket booster separation confirmed. Guidance now converging. Discovery's onboard computers commanding the main engine nozzles to swivel, aiming the shuttle for its precise target in space for main engine cutoff.